Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Meet Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to use the deep clean option on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to deep clean on your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. To deep clean on your Xiaomi Google TV, first if I go to the app section here, then you just need to select a TV manager. After selecting the TV manager, you just need to go to the on bottom you can find the option called deep clean. Click on this. So now it shows all the files. If you have any browser files, it will show on the first column, and if you have any app data, it will show on the second column. It's the 6 apps having 9 MB of data, and then you have this option called full free up the most of the storage. If you just click this, it will be clean everything. So while just going inside the app data, if you clear the app data, if an example, if you are just logging in the VLC player, so if you are just logging in Netflix, if you clear the app data, this will clear the login option also. So if you just opening the Netflix again, you should log in it again. Before cleaning the data, you just need to be clear that you just need to clear this app data or not. So I'm just going to clear the Netflix data and VLC data. So this is how you just use the deep cleaning option on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Meet Be Unique.